Is your car's AC barely keeping up with the heat? Does it feel like it's just spitting lukewarm air even when you crank it to the coldest setting? Don't sweat it. Literally. In this video, we are going to share 9 pro-level tips that will make your car's AC blow twice as cold, just like it did when it was brand new. Some of these are things most drivers have never even heard of, and by the end of this video, you'll be riding in an icy breeze no matter how hot it is outside. Let's dive in. Secret number 1, replace the cabin air filter regularly. Look, this is the #1 thing people overlook, and it drives me nuts because it's so easy. Your cabin filter isn't just about allergies, it's the gatekeeper for airflow. When it's clogged with dust, leaves, or city grime, especially if you're in a dusty area like many parts of Punjab, your blower has to fight through a wall. Result, weak flow, warmer air, and your AC working overtime for half the cooling. Real story, had a client last month whose AC, quote, died. Turns out the filter looked like a vacuum bag from hell. Swapped it in 3 minutes and boom, instant Arctic blast. Cost, usually 800 to 1500 rupees here, lasts 12,000 to 20,000 kilometers or once a year. Check your manual, some say 15,000 kilometers in clean conditions, sooner if dusty. Secret number 2, always use the recirculation button. This one's free and shocking how many ignore it. That little loop arrow button, it's your AC's best friend in heat. When it's off, fresh air mode, you're sucking in 40 to 45 degrees Celsius outside air, forcing the system to cool brand new hot soup every second. Switch to recirc, it reuses the already chilled cabin air, cools 2 to 3 times faster, hits lower temps, and eases strain on the compressor. Test it yourself. Next hot drive, start in fresh air for 2 minutes, feel the lukewarm struggle, then flip to recirc. Within 30 to 60 seconds, the air gets noticeably denser and colder. In stop-go traffic or brutal sun, recirc all day. Just crack a window briefly if it fogs. Mythbuster. Some say recirc uses old air. Nah, it's way more efficient. Question for you. Do you hit recirc the second you start the car or forget? Comment below. Secret number 4, park in the shade or use windshield sunshades. Parking strategy is huge. Your car can hit 60 to 70 degrees Celsius inside, even if it's only 40 degrees out. That heat-soaked cabin makes your AC fight an uphill battle for 10 to 15 minutes. Shade is king. Under a tree, carport, anything. No shade? A $500 to $1,000 reflective sunshade, the foldable silver ones, can slash interior temps by 15 to 25 degrees Celsius. I've measured it. 65 degrees Celsius dash without, 42 degrees Celsius with. Secret number 5, insulate or replace worn AC lines. This is pro level. Most DIYers miss it. Those rubber or metal lines under the hood carry super cold refrigerant. Over years, especially 8+ years old, insulation cracks, rubber dries, or they get heat soaked from the engine bay. Uninsulated, refrigerant warms up before the evaporator, less cold advance. Cracked, tiny leaks drop pressure slowly. Fix, mechanic inspects for leaks or cracks during service. DIY, wrap exposed lines with foam pipe insulation or specialized AC thermal tape, cheap online. In 45 degrees Celsius plus heat, this can add 3 to 5 degrees colder air. Ask your mechanic next oil change. Can you check the AC lines? Seen big improvements on older cars this way. Secret number 6, get your refrigerant checked and refilled. Classic culprit. Low refrigerant equals weak or warm air. Systems lose 5 to 10% yearly even with leaks. Small ones make it worse. Symptoms? Cools okay at first, then fades. Hissing, clutch clicks on and off rapidly. Don't guess with cheap cans. Overcharge wrecks the compressor. Pro way, shop uses gauges and manifold to check pressures, UV dye for leaks, then exact recharge, R134A or R1234Y, match your car. Costs 2,000 to 5,000 rupees, but restores ice-cold blast. Do it every 2 to 3 years or if weak. Ever had a recharge? How much colder did it get? Secret number 6, tint your windows legally. Not just looks, ceramic or quality film blocks 50 to 80% infrared heat and 99% UV. Cabin stays 10 to 20 degrees cooler pre-start, so AC works less hard. Key, check local rules. Punjab, Pakistan, front sides usually 70% plus VLT, light transmission, rear darker okay. Go ceramic for heat rejection without dark look, better than cheap dyed film. Result, faster cooldown, less compressor strain, longer life, fuel savings. Worth it in our summers. Thinking of tinting? What percent are you considering? Secret number 7, keep the AC condenser clean. Front of radiator looks like a mini radiator. Bugs, dirt, cottonwood fluff block it. Heat can't escape, refrigerant stays hot, AC weakens. Clean yearly. Engine off, soft brush or low pressure hose, no high pressure washer, fins bend. Compressed air works great. Before summer or after dusty drives. I've seen clogged condensers cut cooling by half. Clean one feels brand new. Easy 10-minute job. When's the last time you looked at yours? Secret number 8, start the AC after ventilating the car. Don't blast AC into a 60-degree oven. First, open all windows and doors for 90 seconds. Hot air rushes out. Physics, hot rises. Then, close up, recirc on, max fan and cold. System starts with 10 to 15 degrees lower load, cools faster, feels colder sooner. In extreme heat, drive 20 to 30 seconds with windows down first. Saves fuel, compressor life. Try it tomorrow. Tell me the difference in the comments. Trick number 9, don't use max AC right away. Counterintuitive, but pros swear by it. Hot soaked car, windows down, drive 30 to 60 seconds, scoop out superheated air. Then, windows up, recirc, max cold and high fan, AC tackles cooler air, cools quicker, feels colder sooner. Max right away just recircs furnace air. Bonus, set temperature to full cold, fan slightly below max for best efficiency. Evaporator works best steady. Feel the difference instantly. And that's it. 9 pro moves to make your AC dominate the heat. Implement even half and you'll cruise in comfort. If this saved your summer, smash that like, subscribe for more real fixes, and comment your #1 takeaway or which tip you're trying first. Share with a friend melting in traffic. Drive cool, stay safe. See you next time.